Hello everyone, I am Chinmayi from Harsikere of Arts and District. Currently, I am pursuing my final year engineering in Electronics and Communication Department at Ambedkar Institute of Technology. Every one of us have greater dreams, but very few will finally achieve them. What could be the reason? It can be due to lack of support, guidance, or perseverance. Similarly, my dream is to bring some changes in the society such that it can make the life of them better than before. In order to achieve this, I realized civil service is the only path. So I decided to prepare for civil service examination. But now the question comes is how? Then I got to know about the Vasavi Academy, an institution for UPSC aspirants who are seeking for proper coaching and guidance.
My name is Karthik. I am from Bangalore. I completed my BCom in Shesharipuram College. I was a company junior under officer in NCC.
Namaste. I am Vinay Kumar from Koppal district. I have completed my MCom. I believe serving common man is equal to worshipping God. The best way to serve common man is by entering civil services, which gives us opportunity to listen to their problems and address their issues. Vasavi Academy gave me the right platform to work towards realizing my dream.
Hello everyone, my name is Indresh Gupta. I am from Mulbagal, currently staying in Bangalore. I have completed my Masters in Molecular Biology from University of Mysore from 2019.
I am Bindushree. I am from Bangalore. I have completed my BBA and currently I am completely focused on my UPSC preparations. Firstly, why civil services is the question which everybody asks, and the answer to this is, I strongly believe in the quote that the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service to others. So this quote exactly matches to the designation of a civil servant, and that's one of the strongest reasons why I want to pursue this career.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ್ಧನ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯವರ ಹೆಸರು ನಟರಾಜ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ನಾನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಗಂಗವಾರ್ ಎಂಬ ಸಣ್ಣ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಿಂದ, ಅದುವೇ ತಾಲೂಕು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಾಯಚೂರು. ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ BComಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Selection process. The institute conducted 3 levels of exams. First, prelims, written examination, and then interview. We really enjoyed the selection process. I was very lucky to be one among 25 students selected. Our class was like mini Karnataka, where our friends were from different parts of Karnataka.
The selection procedure, unlike other institutions, Vasavi Academy ensured that the cream of the focus aspirants are to be selected. Therefore, every focused aspirant were put through a selection procedure. The interview was a different ball game altogether. We didn't know what questions will be asked or what to focus on. So it was kind of a different preparation altogether. More than a preparation, you couldn't guess what or where the questions will be asked. So my panel members were a retired IRS officer and Mr. Shashi Kumar from Department of Linguistics and Language from Bangalore University. I was welcomed very warm-heartedly in the chamber and made sure that I wouldn't panic and was very comfortable in answering the questions. So they started off with my background, my native and my educational qualifications. Later on, it got a little intense where I was asked questions regarding my current affairs and in and surroundings that were happening in my native, so that I was updated and to show that I was focused on and what clearly I want to achieve.
Vasavi Academy is one great initiative taken up by Karnataka Arya Vaishya Mahasabha. It acts as a guiding path to connect us to our career goals. Firstly, I would like to tell that how it is different from the other coaching institutes. Normally, after looking at a lot of coaching institutes, I would actually tell that this is one of a kind coaching institute, because they give us like some exemplary facilities. For example, if I have to tell about the classroom atmosphere, it's like pretty good, and even we have 24/7 access to library as well, which has a lot of volumes and reference books which are very useful for us. And apart from that, the strength of the class. This is one thing which I always feel great about being a part of this academy. We are a group of 24 people, and I don't even think there's any academy with such a low strength. And the interaction with the class, interaction during the classroom sessions are pretty good, because we get to clear our doubts on the spot, because the ratio between the teacher and the student is very low, and this helps us in clearing our doubts on the spot, which gives us better clarity on the topics.
So provide with
hostel facility, food facility, and a well infrastructured classroom and libraries. When compared to Delhi, they have to live in one place, they have to like go to classes in another place and consume food in another place, which like they'll be wasting lot of time. Everything is being provided here, and what else does an UPSC aspirant need? The only thing I can tell, like after joining this academy, is I am better than before.
The quality of education that was provided by the academy is top-notch, unparalleled I would say, when compared to other institutions that are giving coaching to the UPSC aspirants. I would say this because I would like to take an example of Mr. Krupal. Since I'm a student from life science background, economics was a Herculean task for me, and understanding few topics and tackling the questions in the answers were very difficult. So Mr. Krupal helped me a lot in how to approach the economic questions so that I would maximize my marks and not miss out on any other topics. The infrastructure in the academy is very good, I would say excellent to that matter, because we were provided with each and everything that no other institution would ask for. The faculty would give personal attention to each and every student to know them better and whether they could understand the topics or not. So this I would say was one of the best things about the academy, so that each student could compete with themselves rather than competing with others, and that's what the academy focused mostly on.
More than 8 to 10 coaching faculties who come to teach us. Present civil servants and retired civil servants come to teach us. Satyanarayana, additional commissioner in commercial tax (GST). He teaches us ethics, integrity, and value, which comes under GS4 syllabus. Then comes present civil servant officer like Mr. Sunil sir. He is a present KAS officer. Then there are many more faculties who are presently working under the central government as well as state government, and there are also teachers who have given more than 2 to 3 attempts for UPSC, and they know in which area students lag behind, and they'll make sure that we'll go in the right path and clear the UPSC exam. Then there is a coordinator called as Prasad sir. The students may feel uncomfortable to communicate everything to everyone, so this coordinator will make sure that all the students within the class are feeling comfortable.
GS ಪೇಪರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದೇನಂತಂದರೆ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ಸ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಇರೋರು ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ವಾಸವಿ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿನ ನಾನು 100%, 110% ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಜನ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಭಾಳ ಕಡಿಮೆನೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಗಣೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನಂತಂದರೆ, ಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಎಂಬುದೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯಾಮಗಳು ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಸರ್ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪಾಠಕ್ಕೂ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಅವ್ರ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರಿಟನ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆನೂ ಬರೆಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ.
ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್. Actually, test series are not mandatory in any coaching centers, but Vasavi Academy, in order to keep in line with our preparations, conducts weekly tests for mains as well as for prelims, and we have questions on the similar lines of UPSC pattern, and we get the results very soon, which makes us know our performance, and they give us like steps to improve upon that. So having tests every week will help us be on track with our preparation, and this is mandatory test for us.
One of the best things about the Vasavi Academy were the weekly tests that were conducted very diligently, and it helped us not to get distracted from our preparations, so that we were entirely focused. The main thing about the test were the surprise test. Like it was based on our monthly current affairs, and we wouldn't know when that would be asked, so we had to keep ourselves updated every day to face these surprise tests. coming to the weekly test that was conducted every week, they were both MCQs as well as descriptive, and the answers to these questions were discussed in a very focused manner by our respective faculties, so that it helped us to get better marks. It helped a lot to me because I could see my marks improving in every test, keeping in their opinions and their suggestions. So this helped me a lot in tackling bouncer questions, because in UPSC we never know what kind of questions that will be asked or where they'll be asked from.
Choosing the right optional is most important in UPSC preparation, as it makes a major difference in the final score. So we should be very careful while selecting the optional subject. Specifically speaking about my optional, that is anthropology, I, being a science background student, found it more interesting. There are many subjects available, but I found anthropology would give me a more boost, as it was matching with my interest, and it's a science-oriented subject. This subject is handled by Natraj sir, who has enormous knowledge in this subject and teaches us it in very simple manner and gives ideas or suggestions as to how to connect current affairs with the optional subject.
Read to represent. Read to represent, as the name says, is one of the unique and a brainchild initiative of Vasavi Academy, I can tell. This is one of my favorite programs in class. Read to represent, as the name says, is with respect to read the newspaper in order to represent what you have learned. We are made into a group of 3 people, and each of the group is assigned with one topic, for example, polity, economics, security, etc. And we have a time gap of 1 week wherein whatever news appears in Hindu in that 1 week has to be covered and presented to the entire class. And this in a way helps us to get a better exposure as to feel more confident with respect to speaking to people, and also it helps us in keeping in line with the current affairs. Newspaper is a hotspot for civil servants' current affairs, so we often read newspapers and we tend to forget what we have read. But the most important thing here is when we represent it to other people, it always sticks in our mind. So this initiative was really very helpful, and I feel more confident with respect to speaking with the crowd. And also the current affairs, when we take up the current affairs test series, most of the questions are very easy to handle because we have already learned it in class. So this initiative was the best initiative of Vasavi Academy. Personal mentorship program. Personal mentorship program is another unique initiative taken up by this academy. This is an initiative wherein we are grouped into 5 to 6 people, and each of the group is allotted with a mentor, and these mentors are the currently working bureaucrats as well as the retired bureaucrats, and they keep a close look on our performance, and we have frequent sessions with them, like 2 weeks once and all, and they keep a check on how exactly we're doing, and they give us some extra assignments as to cover the current affairs and other aspects as well. And this is a very helpful initiative because we are always monitored by somebody who makes sure that we are not diverted into other things.
Regular tests have been conducted. The top 3 students are being guided by the Nakul sir. He is a present IAS officer in Ballari district. In the similar way, normal personal mentoring like Sunil sir, he is a present KAS officer, and Gopal Rao sir and Nandan Kumar sir, all these famous personalities or great persons. Having bureaucrats as guest faculties is totally different from having them as our teachers or our faculties itself. We will get to know the ground reality, how the system works on.
Motivation is one thing which drives us into the right path for preparations. There were weekly tests which were conducted. The aggregate of these tests on monthly basis were calculated, and the top 3 students were assigned to Nakul sir, who is currently the District Commissioner of Ballari, and I'm glad to tell that I was one among the toppers, and I was under his personal mentorship, and it feels really great to get a first-hand information about how exactly the life of a civil servant is. Sir gives us his real-life examples by telling us a lot of stories as to how he's worked for the public. This keeps our zeal more motivated, and we feel like actually striving hard to achieve success with respect to this examination. Sir is really down to earth, and he actually came all the way for us just to have a session with us. That was one of the best experiences I've had with this academy.
Finally, I would like to say that Vasavi Academy is providing everything that we need for reaching our goal. And the only thing that we need to do is read and make the best use of the facilities provided by them. So I can say that Vasavi Academy is one of the best platforms for UPSC aspirants who are seeking for guidance and coaching.
Vasavi Academy is an institute which considers your dreams to be their dreams and they're committed towards achieving it. They have put in a lot of time and energy for us and they're doing it the best possible for us. And on the same lines, I have done my best in Vasavi Academy. I've consistently scored good scores and I have always been on track with the preparations. I really thank them for that. And I would also like to tell the upcoming batch that this is a very good opportunity which is very rare to get. So, and they just don't take randomly students. There's a huge selection procedure in lines with the UPSC examination. So the best students are filtered and they're given the best possible facilities. So I would request all the upcoming batches to take this up very seriously and perform their best. And I'm also committed towards giving my best results to this academy. So thank you so much.
I use this opportunity to thank Ravi Shankar sir for taking this initiative. I also thank Gopal sir, all faculties and non-teaching staff for giving us quality training and homely atmosphere here. I recommend this institute as I feel this institute is a right platform for those who want to really pursue their dream of civil services. Quality teachers, hostel, study atmosphere, library, everything in one place is a blessing indeed. Thank you.